In this video, I am going to explain you about the introduction of minimizing the switching capacitance. In previous chapter, we will see the minimizing supply voltage or scaling the supply voltage. When you scale the supply voltage, the dynamic power dissipation will be decreases. Here also in switching capacitance, in order to minimize switching capacitance, the dynamic power dissipation also decreases. Means when you minimize switching capacitance, the switching activity will be decreases. Then the switching activity decreases, the switching power dissipation will be decreases. When we already know the switching power dissipation is almost 80 to 90% in total power dissipation. Means the total dynamic power dissipation also decreases when you decrease the switching power dissipation. Here the main thing in this chapter is we minimize the switching capacitance. In order to minimize switching capacitance, the switching activity will be decreases. When the switching activity will be decreases, the power dissipation is also decreases. This is our main aim to this chapter. Then we will see the introduction to this chapter. Switching capacitance can be minimized at various levels of design hierarchy. Means we have various levels of designs. In order to minimize switching capacitance, we will see one by one. See here the first one, that is a system level approach based on hardware and software core design. Now onwards we will seeing only the hardware, not in the manner of hardware, not in the manner of software. In this topic we will see the hardware software core design. Here we are using both hardware and software. We taking one example. With respect to this example, we will design the circuit with respect to hardware and software. Then we will compare the designs and we will see how we will design with respect to hardware and software in order to decrease the power dissipation. Then the second one is transmitters cursor processor. The transmitters cursor processor is a low power processor. We will compare this. We will see what is the hardware and software in the transmitter cursor processor and compare the cursor processor with the other processor, and we will see the advantages of cursor processor. Then various bus encodings. This bus encoding is used to decrease the switching activity. We will see the different types of bus encoding. The bus encoding is divided into two types. One is non-redundant and redundant. In non-redundant we will see gray coding. In redundant we will see one hot method, bus transversal, and final one is TO coding. We will see those coding. We done those coding, so we will decrease the switching activity. Then the next topic is various aspects of clock gate techniques. In these techniques, by using these techniques also, we will decrease the switching activity. Then the basic principle behind gate clock FSM. FSM is nothing but a finite state machine. This is a closed loop state machine. In this state machine, we will decrease the switching activity. We will see that. Then the FSM state encoding approach. In order of using one state machine, we are using two state machines at a time. We will see that approach, and we will see what are the advantage when using the two state machines instead of one state machine. Then the next one is technique of operand isolation. We will see generally we have two techniques, operated isolation and pre-computation techniques. We will see those techniques, and we will see how we will decrease the switching activity in using those techniques. Then last one is low power logic synthesis. Generally we know that the logic synthesis we are using logic synthesis are NMOS, CMOS and PAS transistors. We already know that the logic synthesis are NMOS, CMOS and PAS transistors. We already see in previous chapters. Then we will see how can we get low power when using those synthesis in this last topic. That is the introduction of this minimizing the switching power dissipation. By using these whole topics, we will decrease the switching power dissipation. We will see one by one in further classes.